Hello and welcome back. I thought I'd shoot a little bit of a video today. We're going to prep the Bronco for towing the trailer. I've taken a couple measurements. Basically the trailer hitch on the Bronco versus the trailer hitch height on the trailer. I guess I'll bring you back. I may have a drop receiver. The big problem I'm facing today is this guy right here. You can see that is our little round pluggy thing. I've got an adapter, but the trailer, the Casita, has a more modern version of that. That's 1990 stuff on the Bronco. It just was the one it had, and so you can see that is a flat 7, which is kind of a normal type thing. Yes, by the way, you can see the hoods up on the Bronco. This car gets driven weekly, but I mean it can be a couple weeks between times I drive it. So what I've done is I have this guy right here. As you can see, that's fully charged, but I just keep a little trickle charger on there to keep her topped up. It has a brand new battery in it, but still, just to avoid any issues, I typically leave it plugged in. That and my riding lawnmower battery, but that's a whole different story. Didn't work out too well, but let's see if we can't find an adapter. All right, this is what I was looking for. As you can see, maybe, this is the adapter for my old school to a 4-pin. Now I just need a 4-pin to the flat 7 to connect onto that. So we'll be exploring that option. The reality is I just need to take that connector off and put the proper connector on, is kind of the reality of what I need to do.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't want to be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. We're off in the Bronco this morning. We're gonna hunt down one of these guys for, hopefully, so I don't have to do any rewiring. Worst case, I got to put a new plug on here, which is ultimately what's going to happen, so that I just have a matching plug for the trailer. But we'll see. But now we're embarked on a secret mission. Dana and I are going camping in the Casita, and I'm scouting out real quick a couple of locations, or a location, weather depending. It's beautiful weather out right now, but I'll be headed up into the Mount Hood National Forest to see if I can find kind of a short distance local camping spot for us to go to tomorrow afternoon into Wednesday. It's the day after Mother's Day. Welcome and happy Mother's Day if you're a mom, or know a mom, or have a mom, any of those things. So again, it is just gorgeous out. So that's what we're up to. Appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, and welcome. So Dana and I are going camping tomorrow, and try as I might, I haven't been able to get the Bronco in shape. I did manage to find a pigtail to adapt to the flat 7 that the trailer has. So that was a success off my round 7 from the 1990s. I just don't want to rewire that right now, so I picked this pigtail up at Napa. It was way more money than I wanted to spend. However, this is the main problem. this ain't gonna hack it. When I built and designed the bumper, it was not with this in mind. You know, it has a receiver, but the receiver is, I don't know, bear with me here, 25 inches to the bottom of the receiver. So basically a no drop hitch would be 24, 25 inches off the ground. The trailer hitch in kind of the ideal level towing thing on the Casita is about 17 inches. So I'm gonna need an 8-inch drop is what I kind of figured out. Keep rolling. I guess this can go on the back seat. I wonder if we can get a lift gate put up here with the trailer on. Well, that's not good. Alright. Do that. Do that. And this. So. Yikes, I was tied in a knot. When that happened. Yeah, screw it. It'll be fine. Can't see it from my house. That'll work. Alright. Here we go. All right, neighborhood cruise number 1. Fasten your seatbelts. We're gonna go for a quick drive around the neighborhood, and then we'll back her right back in here and fill the water. All the lights are working, I believe. Although I can't see the running light on that side. There we go. I can see it now. And we'll go up here. If you've watched any other videos, I live on a freaking side of a mountain, basically. So we're just gonna go make a loop around the neighborhood, make sure the hitch is good, all the lights work, and we'll head right back down there and get this thing topped up with water. Fridge fired right up, which is good. Got the propane going, so it'll be nice and cold tomorrow morning. Want to give it plenty of time with these kind of absorption fridges. It doesn't take that long. It takes 20 or 30 minutes, but I thought it better off, and I'll get to see which things in the trailer come open. And tight little turn. Hit it no problemo. Again, our camping trip tomorrow is close. It's like within 20 minutes of the house, just to kind of a shakedown cruise. I haven't had a chance to do stuff. The tires are relatively new on the trailer, but I do want to pull the bearings apart, or at least grease them and retorque them, because I haven't inspected any of that stuff. But we towed it a couple hours home and it did fine. I stopped a few times and felt the hubs, and they weren't heating up or anything. And I have service records to show that they were serviced the last couple of years, but in my experience, greasing hubs is not that big a deal for the cheap insurance, and they're basically a buddy bearing, so I should be able to take a roll of paper towels out there and a grease gun, and just you put grease in until it pops out, and then you wipe it away until you get clean grease. It's not a huge deal. It has been 90-something degrees out for the last couple of days, and now this is what we're dealing with. Unbelievable. I pulled the trailer out from underneath this thing for a minute, and this is what we got. So I'll bring you back later when it's not so noisy. What are you gonna do? Look at that. Oh my God, can you believe this? Look at this. Welcome to Oregon in the spring. And welcome to getting my RV out for the first time in a month or two. Tomorrow's camping should be pretty interesting. Anyway, I hope you're having a great week, and hopefully I'll get some video edited later this week, and we'll get a second video out on Friday. Possibly, we'll see. And then this weekend, Dana and I are traveling, so more videos to come on that. It'll be a surprise. I really hope you have a great week, and this finds you in excellent health. All right, can you hear that? Anyway, that's it for this afternoon. I appreciate you for watching. Hopefully this passes over, because Dana and I, as you can see, we're headed out tomorrow, so wish us luck. It's the first time it's rained like this in months, and it's been 90 degrees. It's like 80 degrees now. So anyway, here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video of me just messing around.